Hey, thanks for joining us again today. You've heard of Clifford the Big Red Dog, but have you heard about his son, Clifford the Little Red Pup? Here it is, 2017 Ford Transit Connect. These are actually kind of hard to find. It's a 2017 with 104,000 miles. Whether you're looking to have some fun on the weekends, convert this into a little camper, start your business, you got lots of room for activities. These are excellent cars. They're really good on fuel. They're actually kind of fun to drive. And again, they're getting harder and harder to come by with decent miles. This SUV is totally open. Both sides open up. There's no shelving or anything in it. So again, if you're looking to move your ex-girlfriend out, get some extra room for moving friends, you're going to have all kinds of people asking to use this van. We're going to do a little walk around today. We'll show you some of the features. And if you have any questions, call me, text me. We do these videos to show you, what the car's about, show you any imperfections, and that way, whether you're buying the car, shipping it across the country, or thinking about coming in and checking out, you know exactly what you're coming to look at. So, brand new Pennsylvania State anti-emissions inspections done. We put, I believe, two front tires on it. Rear tires, I think, were on the newer side. Front bumper's real nice. All the plastic's nice and clean. This looks like it's been repainted at one point, but it matches up nicely. Headlights are both nice. Front fender into the driver door, into the rear sliding door. Now again, these are all manual doors, so there's no mechanisms to worry about braking. You open them up just as easy. If you want to come around to the side here, we'll go around the back. Something kind of neat about this van as opposed to a lot of the other ones, the rear trunk opens up instead of out. A lot of these have two doors, kind of a hassle for loading and unloading, but look at all that space for activities. You can hop right in it. You can walk around it. You can clean. It's very easy. You can open a door from this side. If you want to come out over here, you can as well. Both doors are manual as well as the rear. One less thing to break. It does have a tow package as well. The wiring is up in the upper console. If you want to run it, you can. I'm not sure what they towed with it, but really nice in here. I mean, a lot of these get all scratched up and scuffed and dented. Whatever they use this for, it is a one owner, by the way, one owner, Clean Carfax, and I don't know what they used it for, but whatever it was, it had to be something clean. No rust or anything along here, as well as the undersides of the doors are all nice. Looked like maybe they had it Z-barred or undercoated whenever it was new. Come on down the side here. Again, down the side, both are nice. There's a little chip here, little chip here, little chip here. I mean, for a work van, really nice. Even these panels, a lot of these have windows, so if you have if you're going to haul tools or something, you have to worry about somebody smashing through there and grabbing your tools. None of that to worry about with this. Clifford. If you don't like it, I'll peel it off. All right, passenger door. I mean, it sounds ridiculous, but I don't really even see a dent on this thing. Whoever had it must have kept it really nice. Windshield doesn't have any cracks. For some reason, a lot of these have cracks and a lot of chipping on them. None of that. If you didn't see it on the driver's side, there is a little crack in the plastic of the seat. And this glove box, it sits there okay, but it kind of closes weird. It does have the window sticker. All the books are there. AC, power windows, power locks. You can hear the radio. It also has a backup camera. Just a really nice van if you want to come around to the front here. Again, this is for sale at Autosport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. It's a 2017 with 104,000 miles. Let's get your business up off the ground. We got vinyl guys. If you're looking to have a decal made for the side, we can help you with that. And just make you a fun car. Maybe you can hop in it, put a bed in the back, and cruise across the country. So thanks for watching.